Hello and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to complete milestones in Monopoly Go. So to complete a milestone in Monopoly Go, you need to complete the objectives that are listed in the event pop-up on the right side of your screen. The objectives may vary from event to event, but they can include things like buying a certain number of properties, building houses and hotels on your property, collecting a certain amount of rent, winning a certain amount of games, trading a certain number of stickers, or completing a certain number of challenges. Once you have actually completed all the objectives for a milestone, you will earn the rewards that are listed in the event pop-up. These rewards can include things like Monopoly money, dice, stickers, and tokens. So here are my tips on how you can complete milestones in Monopoly Go. Number 1, focus on the objectives. Don't get distracted by other things in the game, like trying to bankrupt your opponents or collecting as many stickers as possible. Just focus on completing the objective for the milestone that you are working on. Number 2, play with friends. Playing with friends can make it easier to complete milestones, especially if you're working on the same ones. You can help each other out by trading stickers, completing challenges, and winning games. Number 3, use the in-game chat. The in-game chat can be a great way to find friends to play with, ask for help with challenges, and trade stickers. And last but not least, take advantage of the events. Scopely often runs events that offer special rewards for completing milestones. These are a great way to earn a lot of rewards quickly. With a little bit of effort, you can easily complete milestones in Monopoly Go and earn some great rewards. So, I hope you found this video helpful, and I hope you now know how to complete milestones in Monopoly Go. If you do, please comment down below to say that this video helped you out, and like and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you for watching.